Good morning, children. Today we are going to do Unit 2. The chapter name is The Little Fir Tree. Now you can see in the picture. Here it is a magician and this is a tree. And it is Little Fir Tree. It is a story about a tree and a magician. How they are talking, helping each other. Okay, so we'll see in the चैप्टर के व्हाट इज द स्टोरी अबाउट. शेट्टी एक जादूगर था. यू कैन सी दिस मैन, हिज नेम इज शेट्टी. हु ही वॉज एक जादूगर. एक दिन जब वह घर लौट रहा था, ज़ोरों की बारिश होने लगी. वॉट हैपन वन डे व्हेन ही वॉज रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम होम, देयर वॉज अ वेरी हैवी रेनफॉल. शेट्टी ने एक छोटा सुंदर देवदार का वृक्ष देखा और वह उसकी ओर दौड़ गया. वॉट हैपन, ही सॉ ए नाइस tree to take a shade. When there is a heavy rainfall, usually we forget umbrella or something, we find a shade under it so that we don't get wet. We save ourselves from getting wet. If we get wet, then what happen? We feel cold, we have cold, we get fever. Okay, so instead of getting wet, what did this magician, the Shetty, did? He saw a huge tree and he took a shelter under the tree. बारिश शीघ्र ही थम गई. What happened? The rain stopped suddenly. शेट्टी खुश था कि वह भीगा नहीं. He was very happy that he did not get wet. And then what happened? He asked the tree. He thanked the tree. What he did? उसने देवदार के वृक्ष को अपने प्रति दया दिखाने के लिए धन्यवाद दिया. What he did? He showed his gratefulness to the tree because the tree saved him from getting wet. So उसने पेड़ से कहा कि वह उसकी 4 इच्छाएं पूरी करेगा. What Shetty told, he was a magician after all. So he was so much happy that he was not get wet. So he told the tree कि you can take a wish of your choice. I'll grant the wish for you, whatever you wish. पेड़ सुई की तरह नुकीली पत्तियों के कारण बहुत उदास रहता था. What happened? You can see in the picture, the shape of the tree was what? Needle like. His leaves were needle like, nukili, needles like, pointed. So he was not happy, he was very unhappy. इसलिए उसने इच्छा व्यक्त की कि उसकी सारी पत्तियाँ अन्य वृक्षों की भांति हरी हो जाए. What happened? This fir tree wished the magician that I don't like my needle-like leaves, so please allow me to have the trees leaves like other trees that also very green. So his wish was fulfilled. Next morning his wish was fulfilled. शीघ्र ही एक बकरी वहाँ आई और सारी हरी पत्तियों को खा गई. What happened? As soon as his wish was granted, suddenly a goat came and the goat started eating all the fresh green leaves from the tree. Again what happened? Again that tree was as it is. देवदार के पेड़ ने अब इस इच्छा व्यक्त की कि उसकी सारी पत्तियों सोने की हो जाए. What was his second wish? His second wish was like that के let me wish all my leaves become like gold, be of gold. So this wish was also granted by the magician. He fulfilled his wish. बट द सेम डे, सेम नाइट, उसी रात एक आदमी आया और सोने की पत्तियाँ चुरा ले गया. वॉट हैपन? द सेम डे, द सेम नाइट, वन पर्सन केम एंड ही स्टोल ऑल द गोल्डन लीव्स फ्रॉम द ट्री. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग उसने कहा कि मेरी सारी पत्तियाँ कांच की हो जाए. वॉट हैपन? द ट्री विश दैट हिज ऑल द लीव्स बिकम ऑफ ग्लास. ही वॉन्टेड ऑल द लीव्स शुड बी ऑफ glass. So this wish was also granted. But what happened? उस रात हवा खूब तेज़ चली और कांच की सारी पत्तियाँ टूट गई. What happened? There was a very heavy wind and all the leaves were broken down. अंत में देवदार के वृक्ष ने निर्णय लिया. In the last, what the fir tree decided? That he wanted his needle-like leaves only back. नुकीली पत्तियाँ ही सही है. उसने शेट्टी जादूगर के सामने अपनी इच्छा व्यक्त की और सोने चला गया. एंड वॉट ही डिड? ही विश्ड दैट हिज लीव्स, needle like leaves, should be back like before only he wanted. So he wished with the magician and he went away to sleep. अगली सुबह जब वह जागा तो उसकी सारी पत्तियाँ सुई की तरह नुकीली थी. And what happened the next morning again when the fir tree got up, all the leaves of needle-like leaves were as it is back which he had before. Now we will read the chapter. Okay children, this was a short summary of a magician Shetty and the fir tree, what happened. And he was a magician, so the fir tree saved Shetty from getting wet. Okay, so we'll start with the lesson. After the summary about the story, the little fir tree, now we will read the lesson. Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. Now in the picture you can see this is a magician, his name is Shetty. And what happened one day, he was returning home and it began to rain. It rained heavily. क्या वो बारिश बहुत ज़ोरों से हो रही थी. उसको घर जाना था, घर से ही घर के लिए वो लौट रहा था. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. उसने क्या देखा, यहाँ वहाँ उसने देखा, नज़र घुमाई. फिर उसे देखा कि यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा एक झाड़ है, वहाँ पे. He ran towards it as fast as he could. और क्या वो एकदम तुरंत भागा उस झाड़ के पास शेल्टर लेने के लिए. अगर वो नहीं जाता तो पूरा भीग जाता, इसलिए वो भीगे नहीं. इसके वजह से वो यहाँ वहाँ ढूंढ रहा था कि जिस वजह से वो भीगने से बच जाए और उसको शेल्टर भी मिल जाए. तो उसे देखा कि एक बहुत ही विशाल बड़ा झाड़ है, वहाँ पे ट्री है और ट्री से उसको शेड मिल जाएगा. Soon the rain stopped. What happened? Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. Who was happy? Shetty. Why he was happy? Because he got a nice cool shelter from the tree. Thank you. You have been kind to me. Shetty is thanking the tree and he's saying कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे हो. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. मैजिशियन ने क्या कहा शेट्टी ने कि आप मुझे आपकी जो 4 इच्छाएं है वो आप प्रकट कर सकते हो, आप बोल सकते हो, और जो चार आपकी इच्छा है वो चारों 4 पूरी होगी. ओके, सो द सेड फर ट्री हैड लीव्स लाइक नीडल्स. नो बर्ड्स एवर मेड देयर नेस्ट ऑन इट. व्हाट वाज द रीज़न ऑफ हिज सैडनेस? हिज लीव्स वर लाइक नीडल्स. So how could the birds could make nest in the tree? So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. उसकी विश क्या थी कि दूसरी ट्रीज़ जो है, दूसरे जो ट्रीज़ है उसके जैसे उसकी लीव्स ग्रीन हो. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग इट्स विश वॉज ग्रांटेड. क्या और नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग उसकी विश पूरी हो गई. बट यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ए गोट केम. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I wish I had gold leaves. As goats do not eat gold leaves. उसने देखा फर ट्री ने कि जिस तरह से उसने ग्रीन लीव्स मांगे ट्री के लिए तो उसकी वो विश तो पूरी हो गई, लेकिन तुरंत ही एक गोट आई, एक बकरी आई, उसके लीव्स खाने लगी. तो उसको वो बहुत बुरा लगा. तो उसने विश किया कि मैं गोल्ड लीव्स विश करता हूँ. गोल्ड लीव्स मतलब सोने के पत्ते, जिससे बकरी तो ना खा सके. सो व्हेन द लिटिल फर ट्री वोक अप द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग इट वाज सरप्राइज टू सी गोल्ड लीव्स. क्या जब वो सुबह हुई तभी उसकी विश उसने करी थी, और जब तुरंत ही सुबह हुई तो उसने देखा कि पूरा उसका जो ट्री है गोल्ड लीव्स सोने के पत्ते सोने का बन गया है पूरा उसका ट्री. हाउ हैप्पी आई एम, इट सेड. ए मैन केम अलॉन्ग एंड स्टोल द गोल्ड लीव्स. और जिस तरह से गोल्ड लीव्स आ गए फर ट्री बहुत ही खुश हो गया. तो उसने क्या कहा कि मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ गोल्ड लीव्स देख के. लेकिन तुरंत ही एक मैन आया और उसने क्या किया, पूरे गोल्ड लीव स्टील कर दिया. जैसे यू कैन सी ओवर हियर गोल्ड लीव इट द फर ट्री गॉट इट, बट as soon as a man came and stole all the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. मैन डू नॉट स्टील ग्लास लीव्स, उसने क्या विश किया कि उसके ग्लास लीव्स हो, कांच के, जिससे एटलीस्ट ए मैन तो चोरी ना कर सके. द नेक्स्ट डे इट्स ग्लास लीव्स शोन इन द ब्राइट सन, चमकने लगे सूरज में. हाउ हैप्पी आई एम, वो फर ट्री कहने लगा कि मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ. एट नाइट द विंड ब्लू, वू, ऑल द ग्लास लीव्स ब्रोक. एट नाइट क्या हुआ, एकदम तेज़ी से हवा चलने लगी और पूरी कांच की जो ग्लास लीव्स थे पूरे उसके टूट गए, बिखर गए. ओ डियर सेड द फर ट्री, आई लाइक माई ओल्ड नीडल लाइक लीव्स बेस्ट, फॉर गोट्स डू नॉट ईट दैम, नो मैन कैन स्टील दैम, द विंड विल डू दैम नो. नाउ लास्टली what happened, the fir tree got irritated, got very unhappy. What happened, he wished that the tree should be full with green leaves like other trees, so his wish was granted by the magician Shetty. But what happened, the goat came and ate away the leaves, green leaves. Second wish was of gold, कि his tree should be of gold, सोने का पूरा बन जाए. So that wish was also granted. But what happened, the night time the man came and started stealing all the leaves from the tree. Then he wished, let me have glass leaves, कांच के पत्तियाँ. So what happened, the wind blew very hard, so all the leaves were broken in the wind. So the fir tree was very very sad. The fir tree said, okay, I was happy with my old needle like leaves only. Why? Because goat do not eat them. गोट डू नॉट ईट दैम, बकरी ना खा सकती है. नो मैन कैन स्टील दैम, कोई चोरी नहीं कर सकता. द विंड विल डू दैम नो, और विंड जो है, हवा है जो है, वो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. द ट्री वेंट टू स्लीप. व्हेन इट वोक अप द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, इट हैड ऑल इट्स नीडल बैक अगेन. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, it got its original shape back. What happened, got its original shape of the needle like leaves again when he got up in the morning. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. What happened, the little fir tree wished again. He was so much happy to see his original leaves back. First he was sad when we started the story, in that it was that he was very sad with his needle like leaves, but slowly he was happy, he was satisfied with the needle like leaves, because he came to know that green leaves were eaten by the goat, gold leaves were stolen by the man, and the glass leaves were broken by the wind as soon as the wind blew very hard. Now we will read the new words. What we are going to read, new words. First one is what, pretty. First one is pretty, then second is needles, then the third one is leaves, gold, stole. Now pretty means very beautiful, बहुत ही खूबसूरत. नीडल जो सुई जैसे होता है ना, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, देखो उसकी पत्तियाँ जो है एकदम सुई जैसी, एकदम नीडल जैसी है. लीव्स जो हरी पत्तियाँ होती है, जो झाड़ पे हो दिखाई देती है, राइट, उसको हम लीव्स कहते हैं. गोल्ड जो चमकता है एकदम सोने जैसा, गोल्डन जैसा एकदम ही, तो उसको गोल्ड है. और स्टोल यार है चुराना. नाउ विल गो टू द एक्सरसाइज. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. द प्रीटी लिटल फर ट्री was happy with gold leaves, but now we will see the options. Here options are given 3. A goat came along and ate them, all the leaves got wet in the rain, or a man stole them. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but जब ट्री के पास गोल्ड लीव्स आए तो वो हैप्पी तो थी, लेकिन उसका कारण क्या था? A man came, stole them. A man stole them. So what is the correct answer? A man stole them. Now B1. The fir tree was sad. The fir tree was sad because it had yellow leaves, because it had needle like leaves, because it was very short. The third one is the correct answer, because it had needle like leaves. C. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. Because the goats came and ate them up, a man stole them, the gold leaves broke. So what is the correct answer? A man stole them. A man stole them. Now we'll go to the next exercise. By changing the circle word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. Now you can see over here in red color circle is been done. L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Now we have to write the opposite of light. We will read the sentence. I carry a light bag to school every day. Now the circle word we have to change it. So what we have changed? Heavy. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. So light ka opposite is what? Heavy. Now we'll go to the B exercise. Reena won the race. Now what is the first word? Reena won the race. What is the opposite of won? Lost. L-O-S-T, lost. So I lost the race. Now we'll do this exercise by changing the circled word to its opposite. Rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. Now over here, light ka what we have done? Light ka, it is heavy. So I carry a light bag to school every day. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. So light ka opposite is what? Heavy. Now B, Reena won the race. Won ka opposite is what? Lost. L-O-S-T, lost. I lost the race. C, I love eating vegetables. So I hate eating vegetables. Hate is the opposite of love. L-O-V-E, love ka opposite will be H-A-T-E, hate. D, the glass. This glass of milk is full. What it is? Full. So what is the opposite of full? It is empty. This glass of milk is empty. So full ka opposite is empty. The old man is wise. So what is the opposite of old man is wise ka? Wise is foolish. Opposite of wise is foolish. So the old man is foolish. So we'll read the sentences again. I carry a light bag to school every day. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Reena won the race. I lost the race. I love eating vegetables. I hate eating vegetables. This glass of milk is full. This glass of milk is empty. The old man is wise. The old man is foolish. I'll go to the next page. Now give the opposite of the words given words below by adding un or im. What you have to do? Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un or im. The first one is what? Happy. The opposite of happy, what we will write? Opposite word? Unhappy. What we will write? Unhappy. Polite. So impolite. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Impossible, impossible. Important, unimportant. Perfect, imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Patient, impatient. Pure, impure. Now in this exercise what we have to do? We have to look at the words and we have to give the opposite words. We have to add un or im wherever in the word which you feel un is proper or im is proper, that we have to attach. So again we will read happy, unhappy, polite, impolite, seen, unseen, proper, improper, lucky, unlucky, possible, impossible, important, unimportant, perfect, imperfect, healthy, unhealthy, safe, unsafe, patient, impatient, pure, impure. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Now here is a paragraph. What we have to do? The words which are underlined, we have to write opposite of that words. So first we will read the paragraph. Rita loved her dog, Sheru. So in blue it is written what? L-O-V-E-D, loved. Now we have to write the love ka opposite. So it will be hated. H-A-T-E-D, hated. Every day Sheru would go out of the house. Now go out opposite we have written come in. Go out means to go away. Come in to come back. And come back himself. Now come opposite is what? Go back himself. But one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere. So everywhere ka will be nowhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Down will be tears rolled up her cheeks. Down का up होगा opposite. शेरू was lost. Lost का क्या हो जाएगा? Found. शेरू was found. Rita was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying when she reached home. Nowhere तो everywhere it is there. Then he was everywhere to be found. Rita was crying. Crying का opposite होगा laughing. Reached home. When she reached home, she got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. Happy to sad. Now give the opposite of the words in blue. Now in the blue, the opposites we have to write. So love ka what we wrote? Hated. 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 Then go out. So go out is what? Come in. Come. So go everywhere. So nowhere. Down. So up up. Lost. Found. Nowhere. So everywhere. Crying. So laughing. Happy. So sad. These were the opposite which in the story we have to write, which it was given in blue, and down the blanks were given. We have to write it the opposite of those words. Now we'll go to the next page. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. Now over here capital letters are missing. We have to write it very properly and check it out where it is missing. So 1. What is this? 1. So O is only small. The starting of the sentence, so O should be capital. So 1. S is also small. So S we wrote here capital. One Saturday afternoon, Amritjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. So Amarjit is A small. We have written over here A capital. And his little sister Rani, R is small, so R should be capital. We have written R capital over here. Went for a picnic to India Gate. So I is small, I should be capital because it is a proper noun. And G also should be capital. After full stop, the word should be capital. So T we have to write over here capital. There they saw ducks. What did they saw? Ducks. Water and their friends Raj. So Raj ka R is small, you have to write it capital over here. So did you see how the punctuation we have done with the capital letters? Where it is missing, we have to do the correction and write in this line with correct proper capital letters. Second, oh dear, said the fir tree. Now oh dear is what? It is one type of statement. It is running conversation. So you can see how it is be done. O is capital. You can see open commas. Over exclamatory mark is there. Okay, said the fir tree. I again over here after tree there is a comma over here. Then open inverted commas are there. Then I like my old needle like leaves. Best for goats. Don't eat them. And no man can steal them. So it is a dialogue. So in the dialogue we have to check here main how it is been said and how we'll do the capital letters and punctuation marks. Now we'll go to the next page. Over here you can see, look at the picture below in the yellow box. There are 8 things. How many things are there? 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You cannot see the other 2. Write down the 4 things that you can see. Now you can see this is a picture of a garden, right? And it is a picture of a farm. And you can see over here ducks are there, bird is there, a little girl is there, a boy is there. Then what else you see? Flowers are there, butterflies are there, right? So now we'll read what it is there. So we have to look at the picture and write in these blanks what we can see. So first we have written ducks, ducks, ducks. Then boy, boy, gir, girl, and then tree. Now look at the paragraph again, describe the picture. Now we have to look at this paragraph, this picture work, and we have to describe what is the picture about. We have to look at the picture and we describe what is the picture about. A boy and a girl. You can see a boy and a girl have come to a park. What is this? This is a park for outing. They are enjoying the natural scene. What they are doing? They are enjoying the natural scene by the side of a pond. This is a pond over here, by the side of the pond. Two ducks are swimming in the water. You can see how many ducks? Two ducks are swimming in the water. The girl has spread a mat on which she has put a lunchbox. What the girl has done? She has spread a mat and she has put a lunchbox. You can see there are lunchbox. She has put a lunchbox. A bird is sitting near the mat. You can see a bird is sitting near a mat. The boy is looking at the bird. He looks happy. What the boy is doing? The boy is looking at the bird and he is very much happy. So this is a picture and we have to describe the picture. You can describe the picture in your own words also. What do you see in the picture? Picture reading is one type of exercise is this. What do you see in the picture? You can see ducks are there, birds are there, then it is a mat, lunch boxes are there, girl and boy is there. There is a ball to play with it. You can see flowers are there. Near the flower, butterfly is there. All the picture, looking at the picture, you can describe many things and you can write also what do you see in the picture. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Which of the following action would make others happy, unhappy? Now over here two columns are given. One is of happy and one is of unhappy. Now here options are given in the box. We will read that. Respecting elders, playing with friends, watching television all day, caring for pets, not saying thank you, visiting a sick friend, telling lies, getting angry easily, being polite, not sharing, being greedy, being honest. Now we'll over here see which is in a proper manner, which suits in which column. Action that makes people happy is on the left hand side. Action that make people unhappy is on the left hand side. The first one is respecting elders. That is a good habit. So it will be action that make people happy. So it will be in that column. And on the action that make people unhappy is what? Not saying thank you. You should not be so much rude. You should say thank you when someone offers you. And you should always respect elders who are there. In the elders you should always touch feet and always listen to them and give respect. Being polite, second one. Over here the second one is what? Not sharing, watching. What is it? Not sharing and watching television all day. Second one over here is what? Action that make people happy, being polite. Action that make people unhappy, not sharing, watching television all day. Third, action that make people happy, playing with friends. Action that make people unhappy, telling lies. We should be very careful. We should not tell lies. We should always speak the truth. Action that makes people happy, visiting a sick friend. Action that make people unhappy, being greedy. We should not be greedy. We should always take care of our friends when they are sick. We should visit them. And the action that makes people unhappy, we should be careful. We should not be greedy. The action that make people happy is what? Visiting a sick friend, telling lies. Caring for pets. Action that makes people happy, caring for pets. Action that makes people unhappy, that is being greedy. Action that makes people happy, being honest. And action that make people unhappy is what? Getting angry easily. So all these habits we should keep in mind. Now we'll read the column. Action that make people happy: respecting elders, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, caring for pets, being honest. And action that make people unhappy are not saying thank you, not sharing, watching television all day, not sharing and watching television all day, telling lies, being greedy, getting angry easily. So dear children, I hope you follow this exercise. Dear children, I hope you follow this exercise very well, and you have to read the chapter thoroughly and do this exercise in your textbook with neat and good handwriting. You have to write this exercise in your textbook with neat and clean handwriting in the textbook itself only. Okay, thank you.